Incredible health benefits of vitamin B. B vitamins are contained in eggs, meat, especially pork, milk, whole grains, cereals, liver, mushroom, dark leafy vegetables, bananas, oranges, strawberries, and many others. Vitamin B increase energy, improve memory, and enhance mood. Helps stimulating the immune system. Help the formation of red cells, highly important to your organism. Boost skin and hair health. Helps with digestion process, liver function, along with sex and stress-related hormone production. For more amazing products, go to description or bio and click on the link.